shrimp and I just can't let this go to waste. It's just garlicky, greasy goodness. So, let's get started with this. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the rice. It's taking forever to cook, so I'm just gonna eat the shrimp and some salad because I don't have any other vegetables now, so I got some red pepper. Lettuce. But once I touch this shrimp, I can't touch anything else. You'll see why. Look at all those juices. So, this is the messy part of this meal. So good. These garlicky, buttery Cajun juices. They're like whole chunks of garlic in here. Got some shell. I don't know why I bother wiping my hands. So basically you gotta tear the head off. And rip the skin off. I don't have too many left. So tasty. It's weird because this restaurant is in an area called Little Saigon. My cat wants them because it's called Little Saigon because there is a large population of Vietnamese people that live there, and they pretty much run the place. No, you're not getting any of my shrimp. Do not eat this around your beds. Do not be too quiet. Eat some raw veg. I don't know. Not sure why they leave the heads on the shrimp. Oh, the spices are getting to me. Like, I feel like I want to sneeze. More legs. You know, shrimp are really disgusting if you think about it. Like, people make fun of other people that eat bugs, other cultures where it's okay to eat bugs, but I mean, really, this is like freaking cockroach. really tasty. I have this leftover pita I'm gonna soak up some juices with. Like I need more fat. So yeah, man. So next month is Mardi Gras in New Orleans. They have really delicious food there. I've been twice. Last time I went, I gained 4 pounds. I mean, it's really ridiculous, but I swear I gained 4 pounds in 4 days. If you ever want to travel to the part of the country that has really good food, I really recommend New Orleans. But I also recommend that you do research about exactly the best places to eat, because there are a lot of places that serve bad food and you don't want to go to those. It's a really affordable place to go visit. And you can go to the Garden District. They have really beautiful homes there. And the cemeteries are all above ground because it's below sea level. Just don't go during hurricane season. So, the rule of thumb is to go between Christmas and Easter. Because then it starts to rain and you don't want to be out there when it's raining because it floods. I went in March and they have flash floods and the streets get flooded really fast, so you want to avoid that. So, I guess I'm not going to eat the rice because it's not finished. So, I've got 2 types of sweet dessert I could add. I've got a lot of these Mallow bars my friend sent me. And then I've got some digestive cookies. My friend said these were good and I just don't. I don't know. I just think they need more sugar. And that's where the Mallow bar comes in. Mallow bar. Annoying neighbor dog, sorry. If I didn't care about being fat, I would just plow right through this box. reason I care about my appearance to some degree. And that's what stops me. These are so yummy. And I don't know why they call them digestives. I mean, does it make you crap? What does it do? What is the purpose of a digestive? Why do they call it that? If someone could tell me, I'd love to know. Alright, so what I plan on doing is a series of eating videos. With Mardi Gras type foods that they eat in New Orleans. Hopefully those will make some interesting sounds. So stay tuned for those videos. I hope this one made some good sounds. See you next time.